Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your device model and OS version so you know which options appear. Open Settings, then go directly to Screen Time or Digital Wellbeing. This is where limits live. If asked, enter the device PIN or the parental account credentials. Do it now because you cannot proceed without them. Once done, look for app limits, content restrictions, or supervised mode. This first access step unlocks the controls you will change next. Now you move into the complex middle steps. You will disable app limits and downtime by toggling them off. This stops automatic blocking. Make sure to also open content restrictions and change each category from restricted to allowed where needed. If the phone is supervised, remove the supervision profile or unlink the parental account. This often requires the supervising account password. Once you remove the supervision or toggles, verify app permissions. Finish by restarting the phone, because changes sometimes require a reboot to take full effect. After restart, open several apps and test functionality. Make sure notifications and background processes run as expected. If you still see restrictions, try resetting the screen time passcode using the recovery options, or sign back in with the parental account to toggle settings off properly. If nothing works, the one key troubleshooting tip is to back up data and consider a factory reset only after consulting the supervising account owner.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.